Oh my gosh. This looks so cool. Hey everybody, it's Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. Many of you know that this past month I celebrated 10 years of being the geocaching vlogger, 10 years of this YouTube channel. So many of you had so many nice words to say to me, to congratulate me, so thank you so much. But one person, I believe, went above and beyond because I got a very special package from them. And I'm really excited to see what's in it, because this package is from Dave W. More specifically, his geocaching name is DJWHouse. You guys know DJWHouse. You've seen many of his amazing geocaches here on this channel. He is a co-creator with Dr. Doolittle on the full walk-in Doctor Who TARDIS, which is arguably one of the best geocaches in the world. You've also seen his Knock Knock geocache. You've seen Star Wars ones of him. So he is an amazing smart cache creator. So that's why I'm excited to see what he sent me. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. This looks so cool. First of all, we got a lot of information. A lot of information that says cache background. Oh my gosh. We have one of my favorite things in the world, and that is, we have an ammo can geocache. First of all, look, it's locked up, and on the top, look at that. We got LED lights right here, and we have colored buttons. All right, I have another message, another note. Joshua, here's a special cache for you to thank you and congratulate you for an epic 10 years of geo-vlogging. Thank you, Dave. Your videos continue to personally inspire me and energize me to create and hide more wired gadget caches. But more importantly, I just love going out into the world virtually, joining you on your caching adventures. Oh, this is the nicest thing ever. What an amazing 10-year streak, an amazing mega contribution to cachers everywhere. Enjoy. I think I know what this is. You guys, this is a Simon Gain ammo can. Very similar to the Doctor Who cache in Milwaukee, minus the fact that it's not a TARDIS, but it's an ammo can. It's like the best thing in the world. Ammo cans, games. You guys, I have a little smart gadget cache here. All right, you're gonna be the first to see me play with this. So let's press one of the buttons. It's alive! I'm guessing this is Simon. I'm not very good at it. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Blue, green. A lot of pressure here. Blue, green, yellow. A lot of pressure. You were watching me. So you can see there's a lock here. I'm sure that once you get it right, it reveals the padlock code. So this time I'm gonna focus a little bit more. Let's see if we can actually open it up. That's good. No! I wonder if it gets easier the more times you mess up. Disco fever, disco fever, disco fever, yeah. I didn't even see the first digit that time. Was it green? Yeah. No! I was so close that time! I'm really bad at this. got it. Took me many, many times. All right, right now it is revealing the padlock code with some beeping and some lights. And I think I did the counting. Let's see if we can get it open. All right, moment of truth. Got it. It's open. Let's open it. Let's see if Dave left any prizes in here for me. Oh my gosh, first of all, look at the inside of it. JCV Vlogger, Josh, the caching vlogger. JCV Vlog, and we got the little geocaching logo, a lot of wires that I don't understand. This is so cool. Look at this. You guys, this is plastic. This is 3D printed, and I believe this is Write in Rain paper. A 3D printed Write in Rain geocaching vlogger logbook? Wow. Awesome. Thank you so much, Dave. This gift was very awesome, very generous, very fun. Wasn't easy for me. I think I had to get about 8 in a row for it to give me the code. But this is so, so kind. For me, this is like too nice to put in the wild. I don't have like a really good host for it. I can take this to events, I can hide trackable code in it. I thought I'd share with you this really cool cache that was created for me. Thank you so much, Dave. And thank you for the kind words in the letter. It really means a lot. All right, guys, don't stop now. Go over here and you can watch another video. Over here, there might be some of Dave's geocaches. You can see the genius that is DJWHouse, and generous guy and an awesome cache creator. Thanks for watching, guys.